Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the best AOC monitor settings for gaming. First, make sure your monitor is running at its maximum refresh rate. Open Windows Settings, go to System, Display, and then Advanced Display Settings. Select the highest refresh rate available, such as 144 Hz, 165 Hz, or 240 Hz. This makes gameplay feel much smoother and more responsive. Next, enable Adaptive Sync. Enable FreeSync or G-Sync compatible in your graphics card control panel. This helps prevent screen tearing and creates a smoother gaming experience. If your monitor has a low input lag option, set it to On for faster response times. Now move to the picture settings. Turn game mode off because it often applies unnecessary processing and can limit picture adjustments. Set color temperature to user with RGB values around 50, 50, and 50, or choose sRGB for more accurate colors. Set gamma to 2.2, which provides a balanced image for most games and media. For brightness and contrast, keep contrast at 50. Some VA panel models may look better between 70 and 80. Adjust brightness between 60 and 80% depending on how bright your room is. For gaming-specific settings, set overdrive to medium. This improves motion clarity without introducing excessive ghosting. Avoid strong or extreme settings unless you are gaming at very high refresh rates. Finally, keep shadow control around 50 or off for a more natural picture. If you mainly play competitive shooters, you can raise it slightly to make enemies easier to spot in dark areas. Thanks for watching.